Serial data transceiver. The word serial means one after the other. Serial data transfer means we transfer data one bit at a time, one right after the other. Information is passed back and forth between the computer and Arduino by essentially setting a pin high or low. Just like we used that technique to turn an LED on and off, we can also send data. One side sets the pin and the other reads it. In this tutorial, we will explore the use of serial communication in Arduino. Arduino has built-in support for UART, which enables serial communication. UART is a serial protocol. Arduino can transmit and receive data to the PC over USB cable. This is the code of this project. Incoming value. This variable will store the received data from the serial port of computer. Initially we will set its value to 0. Void setup is a function in which we will initialize the serial communication. 9600 is the speed of data communication. Data will transmit between computer and Arduino with the speed of 9600 bits per second. Then we declare pin number 13 of Arduino as output pin. There is an inbuilt LED connected at pin 13 of Arduino. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever. So whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. Serial.available arrow 0. This means if Arduino will receive any data from PC, then program will go under this loop. Incoming value. This variable will store the received data from serial port. If received data is 1, then LED will turn on. If received data is 0, then LED will turn off. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we only need to connect Arduino to PC or laptop over standard USB cable. Once we have done the connection, we are ready to open serial monitor window to display data sent from Arduino. We will open the serial monitor on the Arduino IDE compiler. We will send 1 to turn on the LED. We will send 0 to turn off the LED. Arduino will send the status of the LED on the serial port. We can see that Arduino is doing two-way communication successfully. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.